Welcome back to another day of our downsizing from our 3-bedroom apartment to a 1-bedroom studio apartment. We have less than a week till our move, and today is the biggest day in this moving series because we have so much packing to do. We have a lot of decluttering to do, and we need to sell some big furniture items that have not yet sold. And I'm going to tell you how much we've been making on all of the items as we've been selling them too. So if you missed any of the previous episodes, you can catch up here. And especially on these big packing days, you need coffee. So Jackson went into Starbucks here to get us some caffeine, and Izzers is here too getting some sun. Do you want to say hi to everybody? We're gonna head back and get it all done. Apparently pinecone jam is totally a thing. Daria didn't need to be self-conscious about that at all. So you know, I hope this weekend you grab yourself a small jar of pinecone jam and eat it with some biscuits and coffee. Thank you for your comments. Our TSD project spotlight goes out to this very sexy washing machine room pantry situation. It looks like one of those overly priced organic grocers in America. It looks so good, and I really love the addition of the jars and the little rug. A quick reminder, there's going to be an extra video from now on Sundays. Enjoy! And if you want to tag me in any of your projects of the week, you can tag me at the Suitcase Designer on Instagram. Early this morning, somebody came for the refrigerator and the washing machine, and then the dresser and some other miscellaneous items that we were selling. Our pile has gotten so much smaller, but our house is feeling so weird, and it's finally hitting me that this is happening. We have matcha. All right. Notice anything missing? Ooh, refrigerator gone. Washing machine gone. House is a complete disaster. And woo! Dresser gone. Izzy still here? Everything we were selling in this front closet gone. I told Jackson that I thought it would be kind of a romantic moving idea if we went to Starbucks, we got coffee, and we sat on our bed and decluttered and organized all the stuff that we dumped out of our dresser, and then we packed with our coffees. There's just something very special about that. Next up is everything we dumped out on the bed when they were coming for the dresser. We've got to go through all of this. The goal is to thin out a lot of this stuff because we only have 2 drawers in our next space, and all of this has to fit in those 2 drawers. Izzy's chair looks ready. Okay, let's go. That's my spot though. You're gonna have to move. Jackson got rid of a lot of stuff. He hasn't decluttered in a long time. It's about time. This is my stuff, and you can't see what I have on the floor. But his is really small, and there's definitely his stuff is going to fit. I'm not so sure about mine. Oh, I found a sock. Okay, declutter pile. Whoa.
That's it.
That's all?
All the clothes I own.
Damn. Okay, what are these though?
All donation.
Explain to me how you're decluttering. What are you getting rid of? Because you're getting rid of a lot.
These are all old work shirts that I just don't like. They make me feel stuffy, and
Jackson's leaving his job when we leave this house, so that's why that's important for him to get rid of.
These are teacher shirts is what these are. Most of this stuff has seen extreme wear. Wedding pants from 7 years ago, which I could maybe keep them, but I haven't worn them in 2 years. And most stuff is extremely worn out. Like these coats were great coats. They've seen like 2 or 3 years of hard use.
They look good on camera, but yeah, in person, trust me, like, I even told Jackson he needed to quit wearing that jacket because
you can see all kinds of stain. I feel like I have only stuff that I like now.
Add that to the declutter pile. This closet's done. We'll come back for this one in a minute. I am very satisfied with my pre-declutters that we did in the early days of this series. I'm not getting anything out of my closet. Everything I have in there, I love. All of my shoes, I love. And that's what Jackson just said. Everything in his closet, he loves. And that's the point of all of this. You have to find whatever method works best for you. The thing that I try to keep in mind when I'm decluttering is that I want to be very intentional about everything I have in my closet. And ultimately that means being very intentional about what I purchase and bring into my home. You want to keep things in your home that make you happy, not things that bring you any stress or guilt or any of those negative feelings. So I'm very satisfied with my pre-declutter methods. I'm not really getting rid of much. This closet's just always out of control. Here's our secret money pot of things we've been selling. We've been putting all of our money in there. Shoe closets. Can you get rid of anything? I think I can get rid of these. These are, actually maybe I can keep those. I'm gonna clean those up. Let me try these on. We'll still like those. I keep these. Jackson cleaned out his. Those are mine at the top, but those are very expensive boots, so I don't want to get rid of those. And then my hiking shoes. Okay, I have a lot of shoes, but I feel like I don't want to get rid of stuff that I actually love, and I love all of these. So even if they come to our studio, that's okay, because I love them. So don't get rid of shit. If you really love it, you're not going to be happy. I'm good with this. Okay, let's do this closet. I haven't done this with you, so part of it's just getting it organized, but okay, it's still crazy, but it's better. At least we have stuff that we're going to pack up. We've kind of grabbed out of here. And a steadily growing donation pile. I got these tubs this week. They roll. And then I got some vacuum bags. We're going to use these now. I haven't opened these yet. Want to emphasize again that as I'm decluttering stuff, I'm not getting rid of the stuff that I will actually need in the future. Like these pants, the harsh winter has passed. I don't really need them. They're fleece lined, but I know it's something that I'll wear again. I know it's been a hard year in the pandemic, and there's things that you haven't been using that you normally would. Don't get rid of all of those things. You will regret it later. Don't just get rid of things because you haven't used them in 6 months. I don't really like that rule. I think it can. I'm gonna do these high. This is like mostly yours. I have one dress in here. I am April the Space Maker. We're gonna go ahead and start really packing things away now and get the office into shape. And we don't have a lot of other stuff to get rid of at this point, but actually we do. We have a new pile, so anyways, I'm gonna start. Taking the curtains down now, which I don't like because I feel like that makes your home feel so warm and cozy. And the last time that we moved from our studio to this 3-bedroom apartment, reverse order, I packed up the house like a month early because I was so ready to move out of our studio. We'd been there for so long, and then I just felt like I wasn't at home. So we kind of waited on the move and did it strategically so we could enjoy our home longer. But I guess it's okay if there's not curtains. It's okay. Oh, babe, there's also a curtain rod in here I forgot about. The office is looking much better. These are all empty boxes back here, and then Jackson's guitar over here. But I feel like We're consolidating a lot. It makes me a little nauseous thinking about moving internationally with all this, but I know a lot won't go. First, think about moving to the studio. I guess I could pack up all the laundry stuff since we don't have a washing machine. This is going here. But we will be filling them later with clothes. You guys want to get up in our biz? Might use that, I'm not sure. I'm gonna think on it. And then these stuff. That's not bad, babe. For like moving from a 3-bedroom to a studio. Like,
well, there's no clothes and no kitchen stuff in there.
Okay, that's true.
Move it back
This is
out.
our declutter pile. Next step, tackle the declutter pile, tame it, and then we gotta take a photo of all of our furniture that we are taking. Jackson just asked me, and what furniture am I taking? Did you not watch my video? You would know what I'm taking. The ottoman, no, we still need to sell that, along with our king size bed and our kitchen table. So we have a few things left. Oh, well, that was not a good grab for my bag. Okay.
What about these bedside stools?
He definitely did not watch my video. Am I bringing all the rugs? Of course I am. I don't know which one's gonna fit. Izzy, why are all of your toys on the sofa? Huh? Look at this closet. I need to take that to Heather's house, but this is all empty. Oh my gosh. And this one. Wow, it's so strange. It's starting to get echoey, babe. Oh, it's been a long day of work. You always underestimate how much stuff you actually have. Because this has been such a overwhelming process, I thought we could end by, I thought we could take the money that we've made today and by selling everything this week and remember why we took the extra time to sell it rather than just getting rid of it. 160, 170, 180, 190, 200,000, 240, 250, 255, 59, 250-cent pieces. So this is 260,000 plus 640,000. My goal was 800 and we got 900. That's awesome. And we still have some extra things to sell. We haven't sold our bed, our kitchen table, our heater. There's a lot of things. So.
We made about $900.
I wonder if I could push it to an even 1 million. I feel good with that though. That's all. We're gonna eat dinner now. We're very tired. We're moving soon. I'm gonna be a basket case the day we move. Bye.